What's going on, guys? This is Lation from Lation Scripts, and we're jumping right into Modern UI v2. What is Modern UI? If you don't know what it is, it's simply a standalone UI library for FiveM. Think things like progress bars, text UIs, alert dialogues, input dialogues, context menus, notifications, the list goes on and on. It's all that stuff modernized. Not only that, but we have a bunch of unique mini games and other components that don't exist anywhere else. And your second question may be, well, how do I use this? Don't worry, we took care of that. We maintain an official fork of oxlib where nothing is changed except one detail. It auto detects if you have Modern UI installed, and if you do, it'll take all the calls that go through oxlib, like their progress bars, dialogues, menus, notifications, and route it to Modern UI. So in 30 seconds, you can download that oxlib fork, and your entire server gets a facelift instantly to a modern, gorgeous, fast, more feature-rich UI library for you. And that's what the resource is, but let's get into why V2 is special. So in V2, it was all about giving you what you guys have asked for a while, and that was the ability to customize details. But we took it a step further and made it possible to customize every single detail everywhere. We rebuilt it from the ground up and included this new, fully live in-game theme editor. It even comes with 8 preset themes. You got the default, you got Midnight, Crimson, Terminal, Synthwave, Carbon, Abyss, Emerald. And of course, you can take any of these themes and tweak any other details you like to nail it down just the way that looks and fits your server or preferences, so on and so forth. Of course, the General tab customizes everything at once, but you can go through and individually customize each component however you like it. To take this a step further, just know that this is the server theme, so this is enforced everywhere. All players, everybody sees the same thing, but you can enable a second option that enables personal themes. There's another command, UI settings, and this is customizing your personal look. So this is a version that only I see. It's personalized to me. So if you enable this option, you can give the control to your users, your players, to adapt the theme however they like it. So another really cool feature there. And last but not least, we got sharing. So if you have a certain theme, let's say you took this theme and you went with a red, you can share this theme, copy the code, and you can paste that anywhere in a Discord, share it to a friend. They can import it and apply in a single click, and they will get your exact configuration instantly. That's Modern UI v2. That's what it's all about, making it fit your server so you can do what you want. There's tons of other under the hood changes that I won't even bother you with. Tons of improvements, better keyboard navigation. There's a refined default look everywhere. A lot of things were rewritten and to just be the best it could possibly be. This was already great, and we just made it greater. So that's V2. It's all about making it whatever you like. Now, if you're already familiar with V2, you don't need to watch the rest of this. I'm going to showcase every individual component briefly, just to show anybody who isn't familiar with this resource what everything looks like. So if that's all you wanted to see, thanks for stopping by, and I really hope you like it. Go download it now and revamp your entire server in less than 60 seconds. All right, well, if you're still here, you're here to check out the components. I just wanted to offer this section for people who aren't already users of Modern UI, just so you can see them all in real time. We have a ton of different components, many that you are familiar with probably, and some that are new and unique to Modern UI only. And if you stick around, I got a little something for you at the end. So let's go through it. I'm going to start right at the top with a basic alert dialog. We have some unique options in our alert dialog, such as these callouts. This is showing you the different types. Of course, you can change the buttons, different colors, success, error, states, and all that. Just a standard alert dialog. We have a unique component that doesn't exist anywhere else called the drawer. This is an informational panel that I've seen people use in things like garages for car data, dispatches even. You can build this in any order and stack of components you want, callouts, progress bars, text, images, so on and so forth. I've seen really cool use cases for that. We have our standard input dialog, of course. You got text, numbers, drop downs with search bars, toggles, sliders, all that. Excuse me. We also have the new list menu, which is the menu that's fully keyboard navigable that keeps your focus on your character, so you can still walk and do things. This is one of my favorite menus. I just think it looks great. So yeah, that's that. Of course, we have the standard menus, the context menu. So you got progress bars, disabled state, read only, sub menus, of course, all the different options. And of course, this is fully keyboard navigable, so I can use my keyboard here, enter, backspace, close. Really nice and easy to use. Of course, we got notifications. There you go. I kind of messed up the custom styling, but those are some options. A unique mini game we have is this memory game where you got to remember the sequence, which, there you go. No, I messed it up. But yeah, you can make this panel as big or as small as you want, as easy or hard as you want. I keep messing it up. I can't multitask apparently. Of course, we have progress bars. This one in particular, I'm showcasing the multi-step feature where the text can update. You have the step counter next to the progress there, and just a really nice progress bar. Of course, we have a radial menu. Actually, I don't know if I turned on that. Whoops. While I fix that, we'll go to the next one. We got another unique mini game called Signal Breach. This is kind of a fresh take on the skill check. Fully customizable. You can make this as easy or difficult as you want with as many steps as you like. Of course, we have text UI, and this is showing you can do keybinds and everything. You can build the text UI as simple or as complex as you need. And another unique component is our timeline. This is a persistent UI that stays on your screen until the steps are completed, or obviously you can dismiss it on the code side, but great for like multi-step progresses, something that's going to take a little while, like a heist, for example. Do that, do this, do that. Once you complete it all, it'll close itself. So those are the components. Real quick, I almost forgot to show you the radial menu, which is a standard radial menu, but with a bunch of features that don't really exist anywhere else. For example, badges, progress bars. Here's a bunch of examples of the different colors and states. And again, the badges, all different types of ways you can do it. You can combine the progress bars with badges, animations, ones that you can make it animate on hover only, or animate all the time. All types of ways you can go about customizing this radial menu. Just something else that's in there that I just wanted to make sure you saw. But thanks for watching. I hope you like what you see. If you don't already have Modern UI, you can get it right now at lationscripts.com. Use the code YouTube at checkout for 10% off. And let me know what you think. I'm really excited about V2. The feedback has been amazing, and would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.